All right, we are on day 42 of 2020. Yay, day 40, 42 days into the big year of the Lord. This is a little browser game that I've only seen 5 seconds of, called Try Typing Something. What should I type? Anything at all, chat. Your chat, Irene. What do I type?
Let's do Fortnite.
Okay, let's go. Fortnite. It didn't accept Fortnite. Something that's like real.
Oh, Winston.
You just named another fictional thing. Gorilla. Okay, not gorilla. Okay.
Monkey.
Monkey? No. Apple? There's an apple.
Oh. Okay. Oh. Do banana. Let's do fruits.
Fruit. Okay, we got 2 fruits. What about grapes? Grape? A singular grape? Watermelon. Oh, what was that?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. I saw like buttons. What about like
Star fruit, or what is it called?
we don't have to go on a fruit run. We could go like New York. Not New York. Texas. Hell.
Whoa.
We're in hell now.
Let's go back. Let's go back to heaven.
Heaven? Well, nah, I like hell.
If you put Hawaii, change?
We already put New York. They're not gonna have Hawaii.
Oh. No.
Let's do a baby. No. No monkey? I did not know that there were this many restrictions of what I can and can't put. It's called just type stuff. Computer. Okay, we got a computer. With a loading screen. A DS.
Soda or pop?
Soda pop. President. Man. There's a guy! I don't know what to do now. I thought there was more to this game. Got a horse. I really thought that. Hold on. Lines. Okay. I made lines.
Shapes.
Okay, I think we're making a video game here. That's okay. So we need platform. No, okay. Lines? Is this a puzzle?
Circles.
Oh.
Oh.
That was weird.
Okay.
Lines, circles. Balls. Oh, there's a ball. Okay.
Wow. No, you don't do people. You can't do people. You can't do clown.
Clown? Donkey.
Pig.
What?
I'm trying to think.
Man. I guess. Oh my god. It's kind of.
What? What did we change to?
I said alien. We're already there. UFO. Okay. Knights.
Okay.
Hill. We're somewhere else now. Alien.
Corn.
Hill. Corn. Is there an end goal? I don't
You're
know.
asking the wrong person.
Whoa! Okay. Okay.
I can't even tell.
Pollen. Roundabout. Okay. Reset. Okay. Okay. I guess that's it. I don't know. It's called Constellation. Just type stuff. Turtle! That's awesome.
Like, he's just fun.
Space. Wow. Look at him.
This is peak.
Eek. No monkey? Really? That's kind of disappointing, I'm not gonna lie.
You do confetti? I wonder if they like penguin.
No.
Oh. Like anything? Oh my gosh.
Spin around. Let me see what toppings you got.
Pepperoni. Knew it.
Okay, okay.
But squares.
Square. Triangle. Line. Whoa. I had a stroke there. Whoa! I put them in a line! Monster. Scary. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, this is scary.
They're still in a line.
They're orbiting around the turtle. Fear. Whoa!
Oh.
Whoa!
Does it again.
Happy. No, let me be happy. Happy. Not scary. This is too scary. Not scary. No, we're already there.
So scary.
Clear.
Restart.
Okay. Put me back in space. Put me back in space. Oh, it's still
No.
scary. Reset. Reset. Okay. We just gotta think
Space.
outside the box. Space. Moon. Okay.
Door.
Earth. Mercury. Okay. Sun. Mars. Okay, but can't have Mercury? No Venus? Okay.
Oh, I was really hoping they put Pluto in there. Oh, okay. Kaleidoscope.
It's a kaleidoscope. Where's the Earth?
Do you have a black hole? Don't do that.
Oh.
Send another.
No bunnies? Dude, come on.
Yeah, but they have penguins.
Evil. Okay, good. Goose? Duck. Yeah.
More ducks. I wonder if you could put like bigger duck or like. Is it just.
Ooh.
Okay.
Where's the big duck? Actually, I feel like he was there.
No, it's just adding smaller ducks. It's just adding ducks.
Okay. Orbit. What are they orbiting? Are they? Oh, they're orbiting around me?
Yeah.
Horse.
Not the horse again.
Real horse. No. Anxiety. Oh.
Okay.
No such thing as anxiety in this world. Candy. No. Phone.
Okay.
What kind of phone is that?
Wallet.
Wallet. No. Money. Greed. Sin. This
Oh.
is sin? Oh. It's sign. Like the math term, I believe. That's awesome, huh?
This itches my brain.
I don't know what else we could do. Cat.
Let me see. No cats? You
Oh,
can't.
dude.
Oh. You do have. Add multiple. I wonder if they have different breeds.
I just need to hold on. Cats. Cat. 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 Cat.
Is it all the same?
Cat. Cat. More. More.
Knick-knack.
Knick-knack?
They haven't. I think they have anything.
No way they have knick-knack. Now fast. Faster. Fast, cat. Go fast. Gas. Fast. Heat. Fast. Fast. Now cat. Now scary. Oh man, we're losing
It was
it.
fear. It was fear.
Fear.
The one that's go-
Fear. Oh, fear kind of just trumps everything, dude.
Yeah.
Normal.
Clean.
Oh.
Oh. Cat.
Cat.
Copy and paste it.
I don't think I
Can
can. No. Hold on. Cat. Not cathartic. Cat. No, I can't. There's no copy or paste. Cat. Cat. I'm pretty fast at it.
What did you just type?
Space. Heaven.
Is this what happened?
This is heaven. This is you when you die. Orbit.
Oh.
Line. Asteroid. Some cars. Okay. Look at
This
these
is
guys.
crab rave.
This is crab. Crab. No. Reset. Okay. I think that's it. I feel like we've done as much as we can here. I don't know what the hell this game was. It's just a browser, but hey, a game's a game, no matter how big, no matter how small. I'm gonna go drink some water and go to bed. What did I say? Day 42? Good night, everyone.
42.